Welcome back to the VTC course on Wireshark. In the previous video, we began with network devices and the hub. In this video, we will review the network switch. A switch is similar to the hub in that it allows multiple hosts to connect via a network medium. However, when a switch receives information, it doesn't blindly send it to all other computers like the basic network hub does. The switch is much more advanced in that it looks at the packet header to locate the destination MAC address which is connected to the switch or underlying network. The switch also maintains a list of all MAC addresses and corresponding ports on the switch that the computers or clients are connected to. It then forwards the intended packet to the specified MAC address and port. This feature narrows the collision domain to only a single port. This type of collision domain also provides a definite amount of bandwidth for each connection, rather than a shared amount between all hosts on a hub device, which in turn reduces bandwidth hogging. In the last few years, the price of switches has fallen dramatically. There is no reason not to replace the standard basic hub with a more advanced switch, or to choose switches when purchasing new equipment. Also, some of the most costly switches include much better technology that makes them more resistant to sniffing attacks. Another great feature of a switch device is the use of VLANs, or virtual LANs. A VLAN divides the switch into various segments, essentially segmenting the connected clients or devices into multiple networks. This feature alone makes using sniffers much more difficult, but provides network administrators much more control over their network infrastructure. Beating a switch can be very difficult, but they can, however, be tricked, which we will discuss in the next video. If you are working on a network that uses switches and you want to perform network analysis legitimately, you're in luck. Most switches and routers come with the feature port mirroring, which is also known as port spanning. To mirror ports, you have to configure the switch to duplicate the traffic from the port you want to monitor to the port you are connected to. Using port spanning does not interfere with the normal operation of the network switch. During such monitoring, do constantly check the device's logs for any errors or blockage. You won't affect the switch, but you will increase the amount of traffic on a specific destination port. Network administrators may also mirror the uplink port on a switch so that they can see all the traffic to and from the switch on all of its ports. In the next video, we will continue with the switch and how we can attempt to trick them when sniffing.